What's up, amigos? Today we're looking at the aerodynamics of a stool. So this is a four-legged stool instead of the three-legged ones, and the flow is going from left to right, and it's pretty streamlined. We have the pressure colored on the actual stool itself, so there's low pressure around the edges of the stool, so the side front legs. Let's rotate this bad boy. You can see it's fairly streamlined, even though there are some wiggles going around. There's no real roll-ups, so that's pretty decent. Those little pegs that you put your feet on, they are a bit draggy, I think. You see the low pressure there compared to the front. High pressure, yeah, so that's going to be producing a lot of drag. And this is the Y plane going through the stool, and we have the U velocity, so free stream velocity direction plotted on this. Yellow being fast, blue being slow. As we play, you can see that there's the legs that really produce most of the wake. Once we cross the front legs, the wake really dramatically drops. It's really nice now. And then when we hit the other legs, it increases again. So maybe that's why a three-legged stool will be better. And this stool you could use for anything really. You could use from sitting on to milking a cow to a barroom brawl maybe. So that's it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the episode Hawk. It makes your experiments much easier. It makes validating your CFD much easier. It's an instrument we invented. Links in the description. Peace out, amigos.